Hey, what's up guys? Ben Storick from HeliDirect and GOOSKY here today. I just want to do a little unboxing video to show you what's inside the box of the GOOSKY S2 Legend. So let's open it up and see. There we go. Pretty sweet box this comes in. All right, let's get her open here. So this is the yellow and red color scheme. I believe there's 3 different color schemes currently. You take a look on the box. There's the yellow and red, yellow green, and the blue and green. So let's pull the helicopter out and check it out. Sweet. Along with the helicopter, you get 2 batteries. Here's one right here. It's the GOOSKY 750 milliamp 45C 3S battery. And like I said, it comes with 2. The other one is inside the model. And it has this handy little battery bay door here. Exposes the battery so you can pull it in and out. Very convenient design. It's awesome. And that just clips shut. Also, what you get is a spare set of blades, which is always good. Spare set of tail blades. And also this is the Bluetooth dongle, which allows you to connect your smartphone to your GOOSKY S2. Comes with some various spare parts. It looks like a main shaft, a feathering shaft, some zip ties, and it looks like some spare screws and also some servo arms. Looks like some more main shafts and spindle / feathering shafts. Great to have in case you have a little oopsie. I think that's about it that comes in the box. This is a really nice box as well. I'm probably going to use it for just transporting the helicopter around. It keeps it nice and safe in there and everything. Yeah, this thing is really sweet. I can't wait to get it out and get some flying on it. This model is compatible with Futaba FHSS. It will bind directly to it. Of course, if you have Spectrum, you can utilize a satellite plugged directly into the board here to fly your GOOSKY S2. I've been seeing tons of posts online about this heli, and everybody is just raving about it, and I am really excited to get out and get some flying in on this thing. Stay tuned for the test flight video coming soon. And of course, you guys already know where to get this, helidirect.com. Get your heli needs and everything that you need from helidirect.com. Thanks for watching.